Hi everyone, I'm Arnaud Brigada, Sales Manager for AROMATICA company. We are experts in naturals and organic flavors. It is a family business created more than 20 years ago. Why we choose today the Gulfood manufacturing? It is in order to export our product in the Middle East and also to get a new grow-up of our activity to export. After the COVID impact, we have a decrease of our business for more than 20%. So we hope to get some new partnership with dealers, distributors, sales agents, and of course some new customers.
Nice to meet you. My name is Vincent Talvas from VINPAI company. We are a French company that propose functional ingredient solutions for the food industry for various types of applications such as cheese analogs, dressing sauces, bakery applications and dairy alternatives. We also are a flavor producer and we are exhibiting right now at the Gulfood manufacturing because we have an important contacts and customer in the region such as Egypt, Arabia Saudi and other countries, Arabic countries. So this is really important for us to exhibit in this show, which really have a lot of really good contacts.